right, greetings fellow travelers and riders. It's time for Intimidator, the hypercoaster here at Carowinds. It's Dale Earnhardt themed. It's got the red and white motif. They have one of the old NASCAR cars right out there with the BF Goodwrench symbols on that. We'll bring you on board for the ride and then stick with us for the review. We'll let you know what we think. We're in a good time for the park. It's really hot today. It's right around like 6:30, 7 o'clock, and it starts to thin out a little bit. So the queue is nice and empty, so I would say don't jump on this ride first thing at the beginning of the day. Just kind of wait later in the day, it thins out, and then you can get a couple of good rides on that. You want to go to that Copperhead ride that we did, the Copperhead Snake ride. We got a double ride on that first thing this morning. That's the way to go there. Just stand in line for that. This one's got a little bit of wait, but we'll see you when we get up there to the queue and on the coaster. All right. I'd rather sit on this side, but it's okay. There was a spilled drink in there, and hopefully it'll be okay.
You need your shoes in order to ride. If you're taking your shoes off, just know that you need your shoes. Car 4. Please go get your shoes. Just have your shoes. Do not pull out there on that bar. Let your lap bar rise. Last row, let it rise. Don't keep holding it down. Back row, listen. Use your ears. Let the lap bar rise. Let it come up. Stop holding it back down. Let it come up. Last
Okay,
row.
I think we're okay. Tucked in. Should be good. Intimidator.
Outside lock.
323-foot drop.
Unlocking 8182. 8182. The train is on. We all ready to ride. Make some noise.
We're ready. We're ready. Here we go. It's Intimidator. 325. In the breeze.
For your safety, keep your hands, arms,
Hypercoaster.
and legs inside the ride at all times. Please sit in an upright seated
Speed
position,
right up.
facing forward with your back.
It says hold on to the handlebars. We'll see. It's my first go on this. See how we feel about it. Here we go, everybody. 200 feet straight down. Brake run, we're not done. Round the bend. Round the bend. okay. Hey, they got the collection on this one too. They got the hair tie collection on this ride. Oh man, so I would almost compare this to Orion, like a Giga. You know, Diamondback, it's not this tall. I feel like it doesn't really, like there's more, it's like maybe more intense. Like in the mid-run, it's got that splash down at the end. Maybe the back end's a little bit better, but yeah, I think this is a great ride. I mean, especially considering it's like 5-minute wait at the later in the day. And you just, you just come on in. It doesn't look bad, Becky. All right, well. All right, just coming off of Intimidator. What'd you think, Dale Earnhardt?
Really like that one. Kind of similar to like Raging Bull at Great America, Diamondback at Kings Island, but definitely a big fan of those kinds, so really enjoyed this one.
Okay, if you want to compare it to other hyper coasters like Magnum XL200, Magnum XL200 does not compare to this. This is really similar to like Orion or one of the Gigas, like 325. We haven't been on that one yet. Obviously, it's still got some issues, but this ride, top notch. I would totally ride this again. It's got great airtime hills. It's got that powerful drop right out of the gate. I think it's like 232 feet, something like that. I don't know that you get the full 232 unless you're in the very back row, because the train kind of holds you. The cable holds you just a little bit, and then it lets you go at the end. But then once you're loose, it really puts a lot of force in there. The airtime's great. You do that hard bank at speed. It really pulls a lot of G's there. So I had a great ride on it. I think we'll get on it again. We didn't have to wait long. That's always a bonus. So I hope you enjoyed these videos. If you do, let us know in the comments. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Please consider checking out some of our roller coaster playlists. If you like this and we got others like it, you might compare them to some of the other hyper coasters we've been on. We're having a great time at the park despite the big ride being down. We'll see. They're working on it. We might have to swing back through for Winterfest or Carowinds or something like that if they get it up and running, and we're making our way back in this part of the country. And thanks for joining us. So click the like button if you would, and we'll see all our fellow travelers and loyal subscribers soon on the next ride review. Bye, everybody.